Okay, finally, Flexfuel Kit from MHD. MHD? Oh, yeah. Right over here. Yeah, I got it from ECS Tuning. So, bro, what's wrong with you guys? Okay, let's unbox this. Hey, let's have me. Oh, come on. Not this one, bro. So there you go, safety glass. Not this one. The glove, and here's the module, and then here's the fuel analyzer, and then some zip tie, and should be good. So to install, we're gonna go over here. So warm. Ui. Hot may vậy mới là anh đâu này chứ. Oh yeah, okay. So here's the perhaps kidding. We're gonna take out this and this thing too. Cause like it's a cable kadom. And then anyway, so to open this like just single. Quite so far. So then seat belt ว่าแข่งขันเองว่าก็เลยหน่อยอ่ะโอเคคัดก็เลยโอเค so cable ตุดพลังปันผมลองมารูดสุกเดียวเราให้10 mm drill rằng bằng mắn lang đấy nó khó lắm khó sơ plastic so here is it ชอบเลยนะเขาสักครั้งก็จะจุ่มรถแบบขโมยอะไรเฮ้ยแบนให้ด้านที่ยาวดิเยอะแบนให้ด้านถั่วดิได้มั้ยนี่สงวนนุ่งเสียยาวดิ but should be something like this. Cable pen is semua kita ngap. And then I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but cái pen có chiếc bài sợi hoặc nằm mò cable xung quanh này bao khai định cột khó cái xung quanh là bao ngặt lại ra không lòng tài rồi đâu simple and easy. But few page there. Screwdriver flat pen. Then no. So cái pen mà bằngอะไร fuel so if fuel pump เห็นนะ Hipana ya engine apa ya? Plastik ngelak mayo. Kan cok. Plastik kalau adal na ding jauh setahun leng ke adal na ding. More like tissue.
Bố có màu.
Okay. Đây là hữu cổ này. Nó là ập pin. Nó là pin có thể còn cổ mà. Pin thì còn. Đây là ăn lúc bật này. Thing should, I don't know how we're gonna put it, but put it here. Then let's try. Quay ra là quay để nhớ hip band dan sudah so long kan quay pen cái tóc pen and pot loader lock should work like this and then yeah so yours how it work should be like this click it's good then hit the pan this oneนะ my bad but เอาฟิวถึงนำทับไปเลยจะมาขอสุดท้าย okay absorb guys so then I don't know what's the zip tie so maybe I'm will tie can take not at all but just make sure you're not him yeah. Hip band màu đen này lại bay đi lại hip band này đang thi điện nè và hàng ra vào coi then I can put it back this thing so maybe we'll just put it like this I guess and then yeah má ra này quay phay quay đàn xem pit manvel thế này rồi là đàn này là ngã bạn nó pin but hip band too low so I think we gotta move this thing rubber band cái đó là xem pit chỉ là but rubber band hình ngoài cội này to do that gotta cut it zip tie attack nghỉ bằng không chơi qua bên nào bùng bùng xuống ạ hopefully it should come up open here few hopefully so okay so then quite much I mean I'm open quite done quite number kilo but
Mine is better.
no yeah dan SMP dan tetap lanjut kind of was the best one for you Chỉ dễ lẽ. Chỉ là cái nào tổng lượng. Tao không biết luôn chứ vậy. Ok này. Maybe I might live like this. I don't know. Cái trẻ không phòng có vẻ phòng ngọc. Just in case. So I think should be fine. It's like DIY so. Cái tệ giống mò. Mà muốn là quậy kế là lột thế nào rồi phó phát. Looks like it's fine. Thing. I'm gonna put it here. The fan is supposed to be in there. Plug it back in. Wait, where is it? No way. Are you blind? No, I just crashed. So we're gonna try like this. And can be young. Yep. Manager. Simple. I think he hit an M3 M4 F80 F series to kibang đấy. M3 M4.
Install
Manager. Anh ta zip tay vào đây này. Like. Đất xì vêu điểm lại vậy. Và đây đang đến trăng. So, chân tay quậy con này nè. Okay, chị này nè. To hơn con này. Okay, con sự. So, một tổ trứng nó dạy nó đấy rồi. Kiêng dạy đi. Nên đạp bài. So, for MHD, I use key motorsport adapter, universal one. So, when I plug it in, tôi có thể you have to plug in the hole, the right hole, not the wrong hole. 啦，我没啊，拜了喂喏，我在票，听到好。So 我没拜啊，哪？เขาลงงำแล้วค่ะยับ so connect Kimi Motorsport
The browser.
so ขับแจกคนจริงหรอ so here's the Octane map run come on what's my map oh say too so here's the map E30 so I can just customize so not login oh come on bro okay gonna go Mhd already connect with reflect low mode okay then right now I'm stay 2 so option so what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do anything wait what was that corporate taking it so right now I'm tuning stay 2 E85 tune so coding success blank clearing code wait 30 seconds and so yes I'm gonna go carefully this map PWG map so I can look at it stock flashbackดูนะครับครับ나풍에 스토리 링크 기대해 so you're gonna put it back everything wait looks like we did it it's not bad right I'm gonna put out the video it's not bad but not good at the same time so well hit the zip tie the tile so far so everything is good put it here it's not the best but it's alright it's alright to not be fine Chidan alright thank you guys I'm gonna do a pull one I got so right now I'm full tank on 93 so gonna see what can